Hey guys, me Tiana Nicole, and today I am so excited because my grandmother invited me over to teach me how to make pizza. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so now I'm going to knock on the door.
Who is it?
Grandma, it's me, Tiana.
Hey, Tiana, what are you doing here?
You invited me to make pizza.
You know, Grandma forgot all about that. You come on in. Let's see. Come to Grandma's house. Come on in.
You got it. You stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you. You hit me.
Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
Stop hitting you. Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
Hey, T, come on in. Grandma fake you out. Look, Grandma got all the stuff for your pizza, for you to make your own pizza. So first, I need you to go and wash your hands and come on back out. And I have your paper towel to dry your hands. And then I'm gonna show you what to do. Okay?
Okay, I just got back from the bathroom from washing my hands, and now I'm drying them. They are all dry.
All right. So put your left hand, make Grandma your napkin. Shoot the basket. Now. You do, you can get your pita bread, 1 pita bread. Then you put the tomato sauce. That's what we have, tomato sauce in a jar, and you spread it on your pita bread. Put much you want. Try to put it around a little circle. See, put the sauce on there first. Then you put whatever you want. We got cheese, we got mushroom, we have bell pepper. We have pepperoni. So she's gonna put cheese on hers. Cause this is kind of hard for her. Use your fork. And while she's doing that, I'm gonna make me one too. I'm putting the sauce on first. I try to get to each corner. You put much as you want. You don't have to put a lot of sauce, cause you know if you go to a lot of restaurants, they don't put the sauce on there down the bottom. And while she's doing that, I like mine with mushroom. I'm putting mushroom on mine. I'm gonna go around her. And while she's done with hers, she's getting ready to put hers in the microwave. Oh, she like a lot of cheese. You gonna add extra cheese on yours?
Yep.
Alrighty. So Grandma gonna put mushroom on hers, pepperoni. Look at that. That look good there. Bell pepper. Grandma like a lot of stuff. So T's already done with hers, so she getting ready to put hers in the microwave. So we're gonna put on number, how high you gonna put on 30? 30 for the kids, okay? So put that in the microwave. Most people microwave down low, but ours is up high, so that's why it's in the chair.
30?
3. Start, okay? Just gonna take this and then while she doing that, and I can finish mine up. See, I'll use my hand. You can use your hand because it's your pizza. And look at mine. Mine's a la. So she's getting ready to get hers out. And I'm getting ready to put mine in. Wow. Yummy. Can you make it? Come on. I'm not happy. Now, if you want it on a little hotter, you can. It's up to you because it's like it's already done.
There's extra cheese that was not melted, and I like it.
Yeah, that's the way she like hers. Grandma gonna put her 3, 0. Start.
Okay, so now I'm getting my grandma's.
Pizza. Wow, look at Grandma. Unbelievable. Look at all that goodies on it. Grandma like to stuff hers. Pepperoni, bell pepper, all the stuff. And then this is Tiana. I cut in 4 slices.
But do not use a knife.
No, you don't have to use a knife because if your parents not woke, you don't need to use a knife.
Because if you use a knife, you might cut yourself.
That's correct. So she's going to make another pizza.
Yep.
And there you go. And there go your pita bread.
So now I'm making another pizza. I need a little bit more sauce. I'm going to put some pepperonis. So now I'm going to put the cheese. So that is all that I want. So I just put my pizza in the microwave, and now I'm going to put it in for 40 seconds. Here, start. So it's all done. You can't really see the pepperoni because it's under the cheese.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Okay, so now I'm going to make my dad one. And he is a vegetarian, so all I am going to give him is bell peppers, mushroom, and cheese. So now I am going to put the sauce on.
This is mine, huh? You can put all the sauce on that.
So now I am going to put the bell peppers.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to put the mushrooms.
Thank you.
So now I am going to put it in the microwave for 50 seconds.
Oh my God, this pizza was delicious. Grandma got a happy face. It's all in Grandma's belly. Tiana's still working on hers and she almost done. You make sure your kids try this. And this is Daddy pizza. What we made with mushroom, bell pepper, and cheese. And this another one. Tiana want another slice of pizza. So she have 2 pieces of her own. So she's working on that one, and then the next one's gonna be she's gonna eat that one.
Thank you guys for watching Tiana Nicole and Tiana and Daddy. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Tiana Nicole. And yeah, bye.
And make sure to subscribe to Tiana Nicole and Tiana and Daddy. 3, 2, 1.
And make sure to subscribe to Tiana Nicole and Tiana and Daddy. Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Nice meeting everybody. Bye.